Okay, here we are with another episode of NailGuyTV. This time we're going to be doing something super simple that every nail tech should be able to do, and that is going to be chrome flames. So I applied 2 coats of black, I cured them, and now I'm applying our chrome. This is just the red chrome, and you don't need to cover the whole thing. I left that top portion exposed because I'm going to fill it all in with black. So our flames are going to be red, and the background will be black. And so all I'm really doing here is drawing in those flames. I like to have mine with really rounded edges and a lot of smooth curves to it. I think it looks really cool this way. I've seen some flames where people just have the lines a little bit more straight, and I guess that's fine, but I kind of like that hot rod type look where they're super curvy. There's a lot of circular shapes in there, and then I can fill in the rest of that space with just straight black, right? So have fun with it, guys. Make sure that you click the thumbs up button, the subscribe button, the bell, whatever it is that you need to click. Make sure you click it because it really helps out the channel, and we're just trying to bring you quality content with some of this nail art that I do. If you guys have followed me on any of the other platforms, you guys know that this is my passion. I love nails. I love sharing my knowledge within that industry. I've done it for the past 15 years, and I really hope you guys enjoy the new NailGuyTV with the constant content that we are delivering. So enjoy, have a wonderful day.